Master Your Money, a simple guide to personal finance. Money matters. It's the fuel for our dreams, the key to unlocking our goals, and the ticket to a secure future. But navigating the world of personal finance can feel like wandering through a maze. Fear not. In this video, we'll break down the basics of managing your money in the simplest way possible so you can confidently take charge of your financial journey. We are excited at this point to welcome you to the Coin of Pro channel and to remind you that anything we say here is solely for educational purposes and doesn't constitute financial advice. Always do your research before buying or investing in any asset, as a majority of the assets, especially crypto, are very volatile. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Welcome to the world of personal finance, where you must take control of your money to build a secure future. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your financial situation, understanding a few key concepts can make a big difference. Did you know that as of January 2023, the Lending Club report indicated that 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Stay tuned to learn how you can break free from this cycle. Learn how credit cards work. Credit cards can be confusing and mysterious, but they are also very important. When you begin your independent life, you need to learn the basics of credit cards. It's more than just swiping your card and paying your bills. You need to understand the importance of borrowing money and interest rates. What is the importance of your credit score? Solid credit scores can help make your dreams come true. It's your financial report card that reflects your ability to manage your money responsibly. A good credit score can lead to lower interest rates, increased credit limits, and financial freedom. As soon as you reach 18, start using credit cards. Use them wisely and pay your bills promptly. Your future self will be grateful. Budgeting. As you enter financial independence, it's important to master the art of budgeting. Not only is it important to earn money, but also to know how to maximize every dollar. Budgeting doesn't mean you have to give up the things you love. It's just about aligning your goals with your spending. Travel the world. Spend less on things that are not essential to save for your dream trip. Do you dream of an early retirement? Invest smartly to see your savings grow. Every purchase should be deliberate. Ask yourself if that designer bag or fancy gadget is worth the money. Is it something that will bring you joy and fulfillment for the long term, or just a passing desire? You will not only secure your financial future, but you'll also develop a mentality of responsible spending and money management by mastering the art of budgeting. Commit to spending money wisely and budgeting with a purpose. You will be grateful to yourself in the future. And setting up saving accounts. If you're looking to build wealth, investing is the next step. Savings accounts provide security and stability, but their returns are usually modest. Investing, on the other hand, can lead to higher returns in the long run. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or ETFs can generate passive income for you and build wealth over time. Discover a world of high-yield savings options. Lending Club. High-yield savings offers a stellar 5.00% APY, starting with just a $100 deposit. No more monthly fees and easy access to your money with a complimentary ATM card. UFB Secure Savings boasts up to 5.25% APY with no minimums or fees, while Western Alliance Bank Savings Account offers a jaw-dropping 5.32% APY with just $1 to start. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. High-yield online savings keeps it simple with 4.50% APE, no minimums, and unlimited withdrawals. Lastly, Ali Bank Savings Account shines with a 4.35% APY, no minimums, and the option to add a checking account for extra convenience. Start growing your money effortlessly today. Do not just take my word. Many of the world's most successful people have backed investing. Warren Buffett said it best: the best investment is to invest in yourself. Elon Musk is another visionary entrepreneur who believes that taking risks and investing into groundbreaking ideas will push humanity forward. Understand taxes. Understanding taxes is crucial for managing your finances effectively and making the most of your income. By knowing the deadlines for filing taxes, you can avoid penalties and stay compliant with tax laws. Tax planning is a strategic approach to managing your finances to minimize your tax liabilities while maximizing your financial objectives. This involves various strategies such as contributing to tax-advantaged accounts for retirement, taking advantage of tax-deferred investments, and timing your income and expenses to optimize your tax situation. For example, contributing to retirement accounts like 401, KSAs, or IRAs can reduce your taxable income while helping you save for the future. Similarly, investing in tax-deferred vehicles like annuities or municipal bonds can lower your current tax bill. By understanding how taxes work and implementing tax planning strategies, you can achieve your financial goals more efficiently and keep more money in your pocket. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, reducing your tax burden can help you reach your objectives faster. Avoid debt. Avoiding debt is important. It might seem like borrowing money is an easy way to solve problems, but it usually comes with high interest rates and a lot of stress. Whether it's money you owe on credit cards, personal loans, or student loans, debt can weigh you down. Instead of spending too much, try saving more. Make a plan for your money and stick to it. It's a good idea to have some extra money set aside for emergencies. This way, if something unexpected happens, you'll be ready to handle it without going into debt. Financial freedom is about more than just having a lot of money. It's also about feeling calm and flexible with your finances and having the freedom to do what you love. So focus on saving and living within your means, and you'll be on your way to financial peace of mind. Boost your retirement savings. Saving for retirement is important for a safe future. Start saving as soon as you can, even if it's just a little bit at a time. Try to save regularly, like every paycheck. If your job has a retirement plan, whether they matches your contributions, make sure you put in enough to get all the extra money they offer. It's like getting free money. Spread out your retirement savings by putting your money in different places. This way, if one thing doesn't do well, you won't lose all your money. Also, think about the taxes you'll have to pay on your retirement savings. Some accounts give you tax benefits, which means you'll pay fewer taxes later on. Keep an eye on your retirement plan and make changes when you need to. Maybe you want to save more money or change where your money is invested. And if you can, consider working a bit longer before retiring. This way you can save up more money for when you do retire. If you're not sure what to do with your retirement savings, it might help to talk to a financial advisor. They can give you advice based on your situation and help you make the best choices for your future. Invest in cryptocurrency. Next is how investing in cryptocurrency can contribute to financial stability in simple terms. Investing in cryptocurrency can help improve financial stability in simple ways. Firstly, it offers a chance to diversify investments, spreading out your money across different assets. This can reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't do well. Secondly, cryptocurrency can potentially grow in value over time, offering a chance to earn more money. However, it's important to be careful and only invest money you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrency prices can be very volatile. Lastly, investing in cryptocurrency can give you more control over your finances, allowing you to make your own investment decisions without relying on banks or financial institutions. Overall, while investing in cryptocurrency can offer opportunities for financial stability, it's essential to do your research and invest wisely. Start a side hustle. Want to make some extra money? Let's talk about starting a side hustle. Starting a side hustle can be a great way to boost your income and improve your financial stability. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering a service, a side hustle can provide extra money to help you reach your financial goals. Plus, it can offer flexibility, allowing you to work around your main job or other commitments. By diversifying your income streams, you can better weather financial uncertainties and build a stronger financial foundation for the future. So consider starting a side hustle today to supplement your income and enhance your financial stability. Now that you've got some key personal finance tips under your belt, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to managing your money. So why not start by creating a budget, boosting your savings, or exploring new ways to invest? And don't forget to shop around for better deals on things like insurance and utilities. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Have any burning questions or need more advice on personal finance? Drop them in the comments below and let's continue the conversation. Your financial journey awaits. Are you ready to embark?